Hello, artists, and welcome to Cool Art Stuff for Kids. Hey, we're going to do a design project today, but we're going to need to draw the outline, contour outline of an elephant, a simple elephant. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Follow along, enjoy it, and then the real fun part comes when we start to do all the patterning within and around the elephant itself. So that was a challenge, a lot tougher silhouette than I thought. You can probably find a template of an elephant silhouette somewhere, but I kind of prefer to draw my own. It's a good drawing exercise in proportion and balance across the page. And then you can say you did the whole thing yourself. All right? Little mouth there. Taken some green and I put in some blades of the really exaggerated tall jungle grass behind my elephant, and I'm going to double line all of them with my lighter green. Now I've taken orange and added an accent color in several places and in the middle of each of my blades of grass. And then I'm going to use some skinny little hash marks and the inside of the leaves coming out from that center orange stem. To finish my elephant off, I'm going to use little swirling pencil decorations. So sort of swooshing around like this, filling it in, giving him an overall gray tone so he has a solid image against the background whites and the greens. And there we have it. If I wanted to detail this even more, which I don't think I want to, I could go in and put designs all over the elephant's hide, but I think I'm happy with this guy. Trunks up. Good luck. Like and subscribe.